Hey guys, imagine fusing the most powerful AI tools on the planet into one project. Higgsfield Soul for lifelike humans, consistent characters that never break, Nano Banana for insane realism, Seedream 4 for cinematic worlds, Google VO3 for dialogues, and Hailuo for next level motion. Put them together and you get something that feels straight out of Hollywood. Before we break it all down, here's the final Mortal Kombat style animation we created. Round 1, fight.
Get over here.
Bring it on!
Fight!
Take that. Flawless victory.
Did you like that? Maybe not exactly Hollywood level, but pretty close considering I didn't spend millions and made everything in just a few minutes. So, wondering how I did it? Easy. First, go to Higgsfield.ai and create a consistent character called Soul ID just by uploading several images of your character. Next, we use Higgsfield's new models Nano Banana and Seedream 4 to generate different angles for our fighting animation of me battling Mortal Kombat Scorpion. We need multiple angles and poses all done in a few clicks with simple prompts. Then we animate those generations. For complex physics battles, the best model is Hailuo, which is available inside Higgsfield but can also be used directly on the Hailuo website. We'll use the start frame and end frame feature, which gives us unlimited generations. For the voice lines, we use Google VO3, which lets us add iconic lines like "Get over here" and "Bring it on." Finally, once everything is ready, we put it all together in a dynamic edit using CapCut, my go-to editing software from ByteDance. Add music and sound effects and it's ready to go viral. Now the question is, what will you create with powerful tools like these? See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers and bye.